Welcome to Christos Real Estate Vlog. Today we're going to take a tour of a cool townhome in a community called Brightwalk, slightly north of Uptown. Let's go. Here we are in the kitchen. We have granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and plenty of space to create some good food. Here we are on the main living area. This townhome has 3 beds, 2.5 baths, just under 1,700 square foot, and rents for $18.95. Yeah, I did say rental. So we also do rentals. If you have any property management or are looking for a rental property, we also do that as well. So contact me through my website. But as we continue on, we have the master bedroom over here. We have a porch, a 2-car garage out back, and then as you enter the townhome over here, we have a bathroom, laundry, and a little closet. Here we are in the master bedroom, where there is plenty of room for your king-size bed, connections for all your TV, electronics, and sound system, back to main hub underneath the stairwell. Walk-in closet is through the bathroom here, where we have a stand-up shower and a double-sided sink. And that's the master suite. And the upstairs, well, let's go check it out. Here we are on the 2nd floor, where you have 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, and a nice little living lounge area up here where you can create lounge or office area, whichever one you please. And it all opens up to vaulted ceilings from the 1st floor. You can see the kitchen, the living area down there. Looks really cool. Come check it out. I'm Chris Teis. Thanks for watching today. If you have any ideas, questions, or properties you'd like to see me tour, feel free to leave a comment below, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and tell your friends.